CoolMate Air Conditioner is marketed as a compact portable AC that supposedly cools rooms instantly, saves energy, and works without complicated installation. But the real question is, does it provide real cooling, or is it another overhyped viral gadget? Now, to be fair, small cooling devices like this can provide some relief. Portable air coolers and evaporative fans are real products, and airflow alone can make people feel temporarily cooler. What it does well can provide mild personal cooling. If the airflow is pointed directly at you, it may feel noticeably cooler at close range. Compact and portable, small cooling gadgets are easy to move between desks, bedrooms, or workspaces. Where the hype falls apart, it is probably not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Real air conditioners require compressors and ventilation systems to remove heat from a room. Whole room cooling claims sound unrealistic. Small, portable AC gadgets without exhaust hoses usually function more like evaporative coolers or fans. Performance drops badly in humid weather. In humid climates like Singapore, evaporative cooling becomes far less effective. So, is CoolMate real cooling or overhyped? Short answer: mild personal cooling is possible, but the marketing is probably heavily exaggerated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.